Good day, everybody. On this video, you're going to learn how to buy cryptocurrency using your Naira, using P2P on Binance. Now, the first thing to do when you're on home, I'll be a little bit fast. When you're on home, click on P2P Trading. Once you click on P2P Trading, make sure you change your normal P2P to Express. I want to use Express. Express is fast. So click on Express. Once you click on Express, the next thing to do is to click on Buy. Okay, so you click on Buy. Once you click on buy, just type in the amount you want to buy here. So I'm going to buy the sum of 10,000 naira. Then I'll click on buy with zero fee. Once I click on buy with zero fee, now it will now show me that the amount of cryptos I will receive is $17.60 for 10,000 naira, and I'm buying at the price of 568 naira per dollar. So I'm going to click confirm purchase. Once I click confirm purchase, it will take me to this place, to this part, whereby I will see the everything. I will see the amount, the price per dollar. Then I'm going to see the payment method here. So what I'm going to do is to click on the payment. What I'm going to do is to click on to payment page. Click on this to payment page. Once you click on to payment page, it will now ask you, the person is using Kuda Bank and UBA. So I'm going to send to is Kuda Bank. I prefer Kuda Bank. So I'm going to click on Kuda Bank now. Once I click on Kuda, I'll just copy the person Kuda wallet address, bank account number, which is this one here, by clicking on this small little box here. So I'm going to do that now. So while I'll pause the video, then I'll pay the money. I'll come back to the video. As you can see, I'm paying the sum of 10,000 to the person's account. Now the transfer has been successful. So what I will do now, I'll go back to my Binance. Then I will now click transferred notify seller. I'll just click on it. That means I'm telling the seller that I've paid the money, confirm the money, and release the crypto for me. So I'll pause and wait till the seller release the crypto. Okay, as you can see, the seller just released the crypto, and this crypto has been deposited into my P2P wallet in my Binance. So I can now use the USDT to buy any coin of my choice. So as you can see, Binance also sent me a message that my P2P, are you seeing it? This one is on Binance. Are you seeing it? Binance order last 4 digits, blah, 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 has been deposited. So that is how to buy using P2P. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more cryptocurrency updates, if you want to be getting signals on cryptos, you can message me on my WhatsApp 07062472528. Thank you very much.